What's up guys, welcome to the channel, and on today's video, Steph plays Avek. And again, just like before, or just like I think the past couple videos, I'm adding a little bit of extraness in there to again spice up your playing, to make your playing even better than it was the last time someone heard you play. So hope you guys enjoy it, hope you guys take the time to learn and spread the videos around, and let's get started. All right, guys, I'm going to start with part one. All right, starting with a C chord here, C and G in the left, C, E, G in the right. All right, here we go. We'll go to the G chord here. All right. We have G and D in the left, G, B, and D in the right. Go to the A minor chord, A and E in the left, A, C, and E in the right. Go to the F major chord, right? F and C in the left, F, A, and C in the right. Trying to keep the melody here with us here. Back to the C major, right? C and G in the left, C, E, and G in the right. To the G major, sus 4, right? We're used to that before. G and D in the left, G, B, and D in the right. Keeping up with the melody. To the F major chord, F and C in the left, F, A, and C in the right. All right, back to the C major, F major, and then G major to lead back into the next part. Back to C major. Going to the G major now. And then F major. Notice how I'm keeping up with the melody. Now from here, we have F, C in the left, F, A, and C in the right. Right? I'm gonna add a little something extra here. I'm gonna drop my middle finger from that A to the A sharp. A flat or G sharp to make it that F minor chord. And back to C. Again, from F to F minor chord, and then back to C major. That's pretty much the song. All right, let's go over that one more time. All right, going from the C major chord to the G major chord. Sorry about that. All right, to the A minor, taking it really slow. To the F major. To the G major. All right, add a little G there in between. To the G major again in full. To the F major. And here's a little trick. Right, we're gonna be at our B inversion chord. We got B and G in the left. B and G in the left. B, D, and G in the right. To go straight into the C. It's pretty fast, so we'll do it a couple times. From from the F major chord. G, Z, right? Z, Mwen. It's gonna be that fast. G inversion to C. Again. G, Z, Mwen. Z, Mwen. Right? You got B and G again in the left. B, D, and G in the right. Back to C major. To G. Right? It's back to C. Going to the G major. Now, here's another trick. Alright, we're going from the A, B, C. When we land on the C, we're going to do the A in the left hand together. Hey guys, don't forget to really dig deep into these little parts here. The little extra parts that I put in here are invaluable. You may not use them all the time, but they are worth it when you do use them, and it will make a difference in your playing when people hear you play these parts of these songs. And you can use these throughout different songs. Again, this is why I bring them up in the tutorials for you to bring them to different songs and use your imagination how to use them. Again, keep at it, and let's get back to the tutorial. And then we're gonna go to the F sharp, D flat or F sharp, whichever you want to call it. A in the right together in that harmony. Back into the G and B respectively. Let's do that again. All right, from the C to the G. Bum bum bum. Right there. All right. Again, A, B, C. F sharp and G, and then G and B. All right, back to the C. We'll do it one more time. It'll be pretty fast. Keep going over it and you'll get it. Moving on, F major, the F minor, ending off with the C. All right, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked the video. And again, comment, like, subscribe, and share this with your other friends, with your other piano players. Again, the goal of this channel is to try to get these songs and how to play these songs out there to our community so we can all play it for the glory of God. Again, if you enjoyed what you saw, share it, like, comment, subscribe, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. I got some big things planned in the future. Can't wait to share it with you guys. Hope you guys noticed the new icon for my channel, as well as the banner when you go onto my page. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Again, there's more things to come, always working, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one.